Hi, my name is Natasha Fidalgo. I'm speaking to you from Macau. I want to share my experience with the self-empowering course that I did with Luke and Susana. It was really life transforming. And listen, self-empowerment doesn't mean that you need to be powerless to have the course taken. It's a journey that allows you to discover yourself and to love yourself and to really know who you are and why you're doing the things the way that you're doing them. At least for me, it was like that. I feel like after many years of soul searching, because soul searching is hard work that doesn't solve itself in one day. But after long years, I think this was a really good experience to have because my self-awareness increased so much because of their kindness and the way that they just allow us to pursue our journey, just guiding us. And for me, it was really life transforming. I hope everyone will try to do it someday because it can really open up your mind. Bye.